Buckle up because this case is a wild ride through a defendant's driving history that seems to have no brakes, literally and figuratively. Meet Bobby Lee Crandall, a man who has somehow turned getting pulled over into a part-time hobby. Over the years, he's racked up a staggering list of violations. Suspended licenses, no insurance, improper plates, you name it, it's probably on his record. Today, we're about to see Judge Boyd tackle a situation that feels less like a one-time mistake and more like a lifestyle choice. And just when you think it's bad, it gets worse. Multiple offenses within weeks, a package plea deal on the table, and a judge who has clearly had enough. The stakes? Jail time, fines, and the question of whether this defendant will ever actually stop driving illegally. So stay with me because the mix of legal consequences, personal tragedy, and courtroom tension in this one will have you torn between sympathy and disbelief.
50 days. Yeah, it's time for jail. All right, these are several cases involving Bobby Lee Crandall. That's you, sir?
Yes. By the way, how was your vacation?
It was good. I took the 4th of July off and got back to work. I also got sunburned. Yeah. All right, Mr. Crandall, let me see if I can get these in chronological order. I got stopped for driving suspended. Second offense, and filed 25791 ST on April 25th. On that same day, April 25th, he was charged with driving without any valid insurance and filed 25792. Then on April 13th, he was again charged driving without any insurance and driving with a suspended license. That's 25904 SM and 905 ST. Then, just for extra measure, he got a new charge of driving suspended on June 26th and improper play of a registration plate. He hasn't even been arraigned on that charge yet, but I believe the prosecutor is aware of it. So there's a package plea agreement. The defendant is going to plead to one count of driving suspended second offense. And that would be in file 25791 ST. And everything else would get dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not sure if this new case was part of this. Were you aware of his June 26th case? Oh,
he did. June 26th, you said?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I do remember him contacting me about that to inform me of it, but what does that have a file number?
Yes, 25904 SM.
Okay, so it's my understanding that would be part of the package agreement.
Okay. All right, one DWLS second to encompass everything. Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Carries 2 points and requires that your license be suspended. You understand?
I'm sorry. I was talking with my lawyer.
Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You understand?
Yes.
All right, you're going to plead a DWLS second in file number 251241 ST. Dismiss all other files. All right, Mr. Crandall, you heard me go through the rights several times this morning. You understand you have those same rights?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No, they didn't threaten me or anything else, please.
All right, well, let me take a look at your ticket, this particular one. In that case, that was a ticket that you got Michigan Avenue Railroad Drive on April 25th. Driving suspended second, no insurance, and improper plate. 11 o'clock in the morning, Michigan Avenue and Railroad Drive, right downtown. Where were you going?
I was trying to check on some mechanic work at the time.
Was your license suspended at that time?
I think it was.
Yeah, in addition to all the ones here, you've got several in Kalamazoo. You got a September 23 case of driving without a license and you failed to pay the fine. No proof of insurance, driving suspended. 3/11 of 18, driving suspended, failed to pay a license 2016. And then these all right in a row. I don't get it. It's like you just don't care.
Well, I care, trust me.
You're driving with no insurance, no plate, and you get pulled over 3 times in 40 days for the same thing.
I have no fines here in this court.
I didn't see any in this thing. Let me look in here. You and I go back a long ways. 2001, driving expired. Proper plate.
Do you know if the defendant has any alcohol related?
No, I don't
offenses?
drink.
Okay.
No, I don't think there's driving suspended. You must have 15 driving suspendeds in here, going back to 2001, when I was still prosecutor. You got defaulted on the registration plate, but that's gonna be dismissed. I just don't get it. All right.
Can I explain?
Yes.
My wife is dead. She's been dead for 10 years. I'm the only one where I'm at.
Yes, and you told me that when I met you the last time.
Yeah, yes, and it still goes.
Yes. All right, well,
I got
that,
no family.
yes.
You think I'm lying to you? I'm not.
No, I believe everything you're saying, but that doesn't give you the right to just keep driving with no insurance and no plates, and you get arrested, you bond out, you get arrested, come back. They dismissed everything except this one-year offense. They don't want me to put you in jail for 1 year. They give you a $75 crime victims' right fee, a $50 state minimum fee, $125 due by August 31/25. You're going to jail for 7 days, starting right now.
I'm going to jail?
Hell, yes. You're gonna stop driving a car. You owe me $125 by 8/31/25. Yeah, you're going to jail. You got unpaid tickets in Kalamazoo. You must have 12 prior driving suspended charges. You get 3 in 50 days. Yeah, it's time for jail. You've worked your way up this calendar to the top of the list. 7 days in jail, you'll get a day of good time. You owe me $125 when you get out. You can go with a court officer.
Stand up, sir. Put your hands behind your
I don't
back.
have money right now.
You don't need any money right now. You just need to go to jail.
Hands behind your back. And reach your hands further behind your back.
Well, 7 days?
Yes. I can make it more if you'd like.
No.
Let's go, sir.
All right, Mr. Crandall, you're good to
When I'm
go.
gonna be able to get out? Just a moment.
You'll get out in 6 days.
What is?
Yes, today's Friday. You'll probably get out next Thursday.
Let's go.
Do you have a pet?
Yeah, I got 3 of them.
All right, we're gonna let you make a phone call, somebody to take care of your pets. Does that finish yours?
Yes, no.
Your
Oh, yeah.
Hicks is on the way here. Let's talk about your clients that didn't show up.
Okay.
I just told you checked in.
And that wraps up the case of Bobby Lee Crandall, a man whose driving record reads like a greatest hits album of traffic violations. Judge Boyd balanced empathy for Bobby's personal struggles with the firm need to enforce the law. 7 days in jail, $125 in fees, and yet another suspended license. The big takeaway? No matter how sympathetic your backstory, the law won't keep looking the other way forever. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.